I am Pupsin with Xinhua News Agency. Right behind me is the Jiang Port in southwest China's Tibet.
The Jiang Port in the city of Shigaze was a major gateway between China and Nepal for political, economic, and cultural exchanges before 2015, when a mega earthquake hit Nepal, forcing the port to stop service. In 2019, the Jiang Port partially reopened to allow exports to Nepal, and two-way cargo trade was resumed on May 1st this year. On September 1st, two-way passenger traffic was also resumed at the port. An increasing number of passengers are traveling through the border point.
मेरो माथि पसल छ घरमा गाउँमा यहाँदेखि चाहिने सामान कोकहरु लान्छु अनि जुस हुन्छ खम्बुको जुस लान्छु अनि चाउचाउ हुन्छ मलाई चाउचाउ सारै मन पर्छ चाइनिज चाउचाउ डिपोवाला त्यो लान्छु.
After the resumption, Nepalese people with border residence certificates are able to purchase daily necessities in the border markets in China. The exchanges between people of the two countries are expected to become more frequent and closer.